Starting a web development company can be one of the most exciting ventures. With so many businesses needing websites, the opportunities are endless. But where do you begin? Let's walk through it together. First things first, think about what services you'll offer. Will you focus on building websites, or maybe you'll offer app development too? It's all about finding your niche. And don't worry if you're not sure yet. As you get more experience, your niche will become clearer. Next, you'll need a solid plan. This means drafting a business plan that outlines your goals, target markets, pricing strategy, and financial projections. It might sound fancy, but it's really just about putting your thoughts on paper. Remember, this plan will guide you as you grow. Now, let's talk about setting up your business legally. You'll need to choose a business structure, like an LLC or corporation. This is where legalregistration.com can be super helpful. We can handle all the paperwork so you can focus on what you do best, building amazing websites. Then it's time to sort out your finances. Open a business bank account and track your expenses. This keeps your personal and business finances separate, which is crucial for taxes and managing cash flow. Don't forget to invest in essential tools and software. Whether it's project management tools, collaboration software, or design applications, having the right resources will help streamline your work and improve productivity. With the legal stuff out of the way, focus on building your brand. This means a catchy name, a professional logo, and a strong online presence. After all, you're a web developer, so your website should showcase your skills. Make sure it reflects your style and the quality of work clients can expect. Networking is another key part. Connect with other professionals in your industry, attend tech meetups, and join online forums. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll find. Plus, referrals from happy clients can be a great way to grow your business. Additionally, consider creating a portfolio that highlights your best work. Include case studies that explain how your solutions helped clients achieve their goals. A strong portfolio not only demonstrates your skills, but also builds trust with potential customers. Finally, keep learning and adapting. Web development is always evolving, and so should you. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools. Maybe even take a course or two to expand your skills. This not only helps you deliver better services, but also keeps you ahead of the competition. That's your roadmap to getting started with a web development company. Remember, it's a journey, so take it step by step. For any help along the way, reach out to us at legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. And before you go, if you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in.